Hey Paul, it's Lauren. Just a quick video about how to use Screencastify, which is the program that I've been putting all the lessons on. It's super easy. It cuts time down by so much. You maybe take, 8 to 10 minutes to do a lesson, bam, you're done. So you're going to go to, George Asians actually sent us something that says resources as promised. I could resend it to you if you don't have it, but you're going to scroll down and all the way into for the additionally some resources, you're going to click Screencastify. Okay, that's going to take you to another tab, and it's extensions for, your Chromebook, which you're going to download. Mine right now says remove from Chrome because I already have it. So you're just going to download it. You most likely will have to close your browser, reopen your browser, and then hopefully then you should be good. So after you download that, just, close out your browser, reopen it, and then you want to make a blank Google Doc. This is what I do. Not everyone, has to do this, but I like the background. I like to make sure that that stupid cursor annoys me, so I usually enter it down a little bit and then put my screen up so there's no cursor anywhere. And I usually make the text, I usually zoom in so the whole page is white. So then when you want to actually do the lesson, now since you downloaded Screencastify, if you look up top at your web bar, there should be a few extensions up here. Now the one you want to use is this arrow, this orangey arrow. So you're going to click this. And things going to come up, and you're going to want your desktop to be used, and you're going to want your microphone. All right, then you're going to press record. You want to make sure you select your entire screen, and then you're going to click share. So now what happens is there's a thing that comes up here. Well, first off, it gives you like 3 seconds, and then it starts recording. But there's also something down here. You're going to press that stop button when you're done, and that'll complete your lesson. So down here you have all these tools. You have a, you can pick any color pen you want. You have an eraser. You can actually put it on your webcam so that you can put your face on if you want to. This clears everything on there. So you just pick your pen. You can write whatever you want. Mine is actually touchscreen. So I actually just, do whatever I want quick by hand. Sorry, I wrote that looking on the screen. But, and then you can do your lesson like that, because everything that I'm saying is also being recorded, plus everything's being written. So if I want to, erase this or whatever, I can then erase it. I just click, over by the pen, the eraser, I'm sorry. It's this button up here. Right there, if you want to erase it, wipes the whole screen. So you pretty much just write whatever you want up here, change the color. So, that's pretty much it. Yada, yada, yada. You do what you need to. And then whenever you're done, you just go to the bottom and you press stop. Okay. So what's going to happen is a new screen is going to load. And it is going to download the video that I actually just made while I was on with you. So the first thing you want to do is up here, you want to label whatever it is, just because it makes it a lot easier. So I'll just put Castify. I don't even know how to spell it. Okay, Screencastify, whatever. So Castify example. I just like everything named and neat. So, actually this one uploaded really fast because it was short, but sometimes you'll have to wait for all of this stuff to load because it takes usually sometimes about a minute, maybe a minute and a half for certain things to load if they're about 10 or whatever minutes. So when you're done, you can, unmute your lesson, you can look at it, you can actually clip anything you want from it. There's a clip button here. I usually don't clip anything. I usually just do my lesson, and if I make a mistake, whatever, I fixed it anyway. So then you want to go to share. I always click publish to YouTube. The reason that I do this is because the classroom link to Castify is super slow. and YouTube just knows how to do everything. So I always make it public, because it's just me teaching a lesson and no one even sees my face anyway, so no one cares. All right, so then I just click upload. So it's going to upload to YouTube, and while that is doing its thing, what's going to happen is you're then going to get a link. And you can also go to your own YouTube that has all your videos on it, where you could link that also. But when this actually gets done, you can either view it on YouTube or you can just copy link. I usually just press copy link right away. And then let's say, you know, I wanted to put it into the classroom. Under your classwork, you know, you would create, when you create something, let's just say you're creating an assignment, you can either add the link and just link it there. You could even put it in the instructions if you wanted, or you can actually click YouTube, click URL, and just, you know, I always do control V, so then it's right there. The video comes up right here. You just press add, you know, and then it adds it to here. I didn't press add because why? And then I usually do my stuff before, so I usually, instead of assigning it, I usually hit schedule, and I schedule a day for everything to go on at the same time, because sometimes I get my work done and I'm not ready to assign it, or if I want to get it done earlier, so I usually have stuff that's assigned at the same time to go on at the same time, but I have all of that stuff already uploaded in here, ready to go. So that's my quick Screencastify lesson. If you need any other help, let me know, and I hope this was helpful. Okay, bye.